Welcome back to your weekly dose of sound medicine. And today we're going to be doing a specific mantra for helping to reduce anxiety, insomnia, and worry. And the reason why this mantra helps to reduce all of those is because the underlying frequency of this mantra is very, very balancing to the brain and the mind. And it's one of the reasons why I love it so much. The other reason I love it so much is this is such a great mantra for kids.
Yes.
It's a mantra that we had our son doing when he was young, which of course initially he was like totally reluctant. And it was like we were torturing him. But we persisted when he was younger, and then once he became a teenager, let him decide. And what he found was that, given all of the worry, all of the anxiety, and the insomnia that so many teens suffer from today, he really saw this mantra as like a saving grace. And now he does it on his own without us needing to remind him. So it's a fantastic sound medicine or sound practice for teens, as well as adults. So you want to talk a little bit about the mantra?
He even before he goes to take a test, it's a great thing to do. He does it before he takes his test, and it helps to calm his mind and kind of wake up his brain. So at the same time, this mantra is really good for calming the mind down, but at the same time stimulating it. So it
boosts
like
creativity. So it's not like you're calm and like, oh, I can't function. It's like you're calm and your mind becomes like a laser beam, and it really allows you to function. And it's been just so nice because I feel like we're not having to do as much rescuing like his parents, since he's really volitionally started doing this, like not by force, but it's become his own practice. And I just feel like we're not rescuing him as much. Like he's got his own capacity now to be able to settle himself down. And when he's, freaking out about something at school or something with friends, we're always there to talk to him. But he's got this internal tool now that he can use. And that tool is just as powerful, of course, for adults, but when you can teach this particular sound frequency to children so that they have it as a resource later on, it's just, it's pretty phenomenal.
It's priceless. It's absolutely priceless.
Yeah.
I use this mantra myself a lot of the time if I'm feeling overwhelmed or there's a lot going on, a lot to juggle.
Do you feel do you get overwhelmed? I never see it. Do you actually feel like, are you just faking overwhelmed? Like, are you just pretending to be overwhelmed? Because even your little Fitbit doesn't show that you get over. Like when we looked at your watch, it was like 95% of the time it was like in the most relaxed state, and then 5% of the time it was in the second most relaxed state. And when I asked you what that 5% was, you were like, that's when you get mad at me.
Yeah, that's overwhelming.
But it's not even overwhelming. It's like barely slightly overwhelming. Like I think
that's because I got the Saraswati mantra.
I feel like you're definitely our son is like the before, like when somebody's just starting to do the mantra, where they get overwhelmed, they do the mantra. And you're like the after, right? Like after 30 years of really getting to a point where, you can feel the vibrations of this mantra. That's what your Fitbit will look like. But I really hope that this mantra makes it into the homes of children, because we've certainly seen it do wonders for our children, as well as, for adults that are struggling with this. But if we can give this gift to children early on, they'll have it well into their adulthood. And I think that counteracts so much of the challenges that children go into.
I agree.
So with that, Sankalpa for the children of the world to have a frequency that brings them calm, let's go ahead and begin.
Om Aim Saraswatye Namaha. Om Aim Saraswatye नमः ॐ ऐं सरस्वत्यै 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 नमः ऐं सरस्वत्यै नमः ॐ 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 ऐं सरस्वत्यै नमः Saraswatye Namaha. Om Aim 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 Saraswatye Namaha. Om